Give me the name of the man who dared to keep you from me by bestowing upon you this thing called work, and I shall set my anger upon him and grind him into the ground. For vengeance is mine, and I will exact it upon those who trespass against me. Who dares to stare at this man and call me a fool by keeping your beauty from this humble one? Give him to me, and I shall render him unfit. Allow me to pass judgment swiftly. Then, only then can this humble one be reunited with your such beauty.